What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Planking is an exercise that involves holding your body in a straight position in a horizontal position for a certain amount of time. It is a great core workout and is often used as part of a larger workout routine. The exercise requires you to hold your body in a straight line, in a position similar to push-ups, while keeping your abdominal area and lower back tight. Planking helps to tone your stomach and strengthen your core muscles, as well as improving your posture. Can planks reduce belly fat? Exercises that focus on holding a plank position are effective at burning calories and decreasing abdominal fat. In addition to this workout, be sure to eat healthily. Be sure to incorporate more plant-based foods into your daily routine, such as fresh produce, whole grains, seafood, bananas, yogurt, green tea, and avocados. Make sure you are doing this exercise correctly and consistently. 10 seconds in between each upward and downward push, then relax. It's imperative that you dedicate a total of 60 seconds to your workout. There are several variations of the plank exercise that can be done to target different areas of the body and increase the intensity of the workout. Here are a few of the most popular variations: front, side, and reverse planks. The front plank is a straightforward variation of this exercise that targets the upper and lower body in equal measure. On the other hand, the oblique abdominal muscles are strengthened by the side plank. When done regularly, this may help you achieve your goal of a smaller waist size. While the plank is a typical exercise position, the reverse plank is a bit more unusual. As the name implies, this pose is the inverse of the original and targets the hip flexors and inner thighs. High plank. The high plank is the most basic form of the plank and the best way to begin building core strength. To do a high plank, start in a push-up position with your arms straight and your feet together, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold this position for 1 minute. Side plank. Among the many plank variations commonly suggested for experienced gym goers, this one ranks among the most difficult and beneficial. However, if you put in the time and effort, you can master this skill on your own. As with crunches, you just lie on your side in a plank posture and draw your leg into your chest. Core abdominal muscles and hip joints both benefit from this exercise. Plank knee to elbow. This variation of the plank targets the oblique muscles and works to increase balance and coordination. To do a plank knee to elbow, start in a high plank position with your arms straight. Lift one knee up towards your elbow as you twist your torso, then return to starting position. Repeat on the other side. Plank with leg lift. The plank with leg lift is a great way to target the muscles of the lower body while still engaging the core. To do a plank with a leg lift, start in a high plank position with your arms straight. Lift one leg off the ground, keeping your body in a straight line, and hold for 1 minute. Repeat on the other side. Plank with arm reach. The plank with arm reach is a great way to target the muscles of the chest and shoulders. To do a plank with arm reach, start in a high plank position with your arms straight. From this position, reach one arm out in front of you and hold for 1 minute. Repeat on the other side. Benefits of planking every day. Planking is an excellent way to strengthen your core muscles and improve your posture. It is also a great way to burn calories and help you lose weight. Planking every day can help improve your balance, flexibility, and coordination. It can also help you become stronger and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Planking is a low-impact exercise, which means it is less likely to cause joint strain or injury. Improved posture. One of the major benefits of planking every day is improved posture. Planking helps to strengthen the abdominal muscles, which helps to support your back. This will help to keep your spine in the correct position, while improving your posture and reducing back pain. Planking also helps to improve your posture by helping to correct any muscle imbalances that may be causing poor posture. Improved balance and coordination. Planking every day can help to improve your balance and coordination. Holding your body in a straight line while planking requires you to engage your core muscles and use them to stabilize your body. This will help to improve your balance and coordination, making it easier to do everyday tasks such as walking, running, and lifting. Reduce stress. Planking every day can also help to reduce stress. Holding your body in a straight line for an extended period of time can help to relax your muscles and reduce tension. This can help to reduce stress levels and improve your overall mental health. Increased energy levels. Planking every day can help to increase your energy levels. When you engage your core muscles during planking, you are forcing your body to use energy to maintain the position. This can help to increase your energy levels and make you feel more energized throughout the day. Improved breathing. Planking every day can also help to improve your breathing. When you are planking, you are forced to breathe deeply and evenly. This can help to improve your breathing, allowing you to take deeper, more efficient breaths. This will help to increase your oxygen intake, which can help to improve your overall health. We hope this video has helped to show you how easy it is to incorporate planking into your daily routine. So what are you waiting for? Start planking today and see the difference it can make to your health and fitness. What tips and tricks do you have to stay motivated and consistent with your planking routine? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health-related content, stay tuned.